Africa, a voice so deep calls you softly from your sleep. You should try to dance one night. Feel the drums, the firelight, silent rhythms pulsing low. In the darkness gently grow. They begin to stir your soul, set your body on a roll. If you feel a burning fire, strange and wild with deep desire, let it draw you, pull you in, where the night and dance begin. Sways, lost in sound and shadow plays. Though your limbs are slow and sore, something in you asks for more. Give yourself to this delight, that's the dance's truest right.